Electrical and Electronics Engineers is a professional association dedicated to advancing technologies for the benefit of humanity. IEEE has over 4 lakh members in 160 countries around the globe. IEEE encourages education as a fundamental activity of engineers, scientists, and technologists at all levels and at any time, creating a pipeline of students to preserve their profession. IEEE leverages science, technology, and engineering to benefit of mankind, promoting public awareness and understanding the engineering profession. IEEE Day commemorates the anniversary of the meeting in Philadelphia held in 1884 when the members of American Institute of Electrical Engineers (AIEE) came together for the first time to share their technical ideas. IEEE Day is celebrated on the first Tuesday of October every year. Now, engraved in its essence, IEEE Day's theme is leveraging technology for a better tomorrow. When the rest of the world benefits from what is now, IEEE focuses on what is next. When science amuses us, IEEE fascinates the world by implementing the science. Let us all join together, collaborate our ideas for a better tomorrow.
IEEE Student Match Geetham is being present in the great course of time and it has evolved enormously. And currently it has more than 6 societies of various domains. The Student Match offers various departments for the members, which offers a great option to build and explore their interests.
IEEE is well known for its technical fest with priceless knowledge and much more entertainment. This always made a good impression on us as freshers. IEEE has a diversified approach towards society, which was exciting and always made me want to be a part of it. Our department leads were well organized and a perfect example of what IEEE is. So I always wanted to be a part of IEEE since the starting. I always wanted to be in a field of technology where I can increase my abilities and improve my capabilities, and IEEE is just there.
The first part of becoming an IEEE member is registration. Enrolling in IEEE have established the point thinking out of the box. There was structured planning and perfect execution. The first round was a written test which was basic and easy. The next we had a group discussion where we were given 2 topics to choose between them. The student who got the speed right on, and it has been an interesting discussion. It was fun and exciting to discuss in the virtual screen but felt real. IEEE has chalked out an efficient plan to kickstart the process in an ideal and hassle-free manner.
The final step for becoming an IEEE member is an interview, and this interview was held by the leads of our department. This was a new and a vivid experience to every one of us. The leads made sure that we were optimistic and not tensed about IEEE. IEEE assured spreading of knowledge, and this was just proved by this interview. This was virtual and the panelists were well organized and consistent. Their encouragement, composure helped us to give our best effort for attending the interview and making it successful and for becoming an IEEE member.
IEEE will help me in improving my knowledge to keep myself updated with the latest technologies and developments in various fields, be it through webinars, seminars, podcasts, or conferences held by different knowledgeable personalities. It will also provide me a platform to interact with other IEEE student members around the globe and exchange our thoughts and ideas. Along with that, I will also be able to be a part of various talks, technical fests, workshops, and global competitions which are exclusively held by IEEE. IEEE will also help me in developing my personal traits like leadership qualities, self-confidence, and team spirit. And finally, but not the least, this platform will help me make meaningful connections with the industry experts through various social media platforms, thereby enhancing my industry exposure and employment opportunities.
Since its inception, the IEEE Student Branch Geetham has fostered the lives of many students in the university and has been a subject of persistent work. It has been lauded and accoladed several times, and to mention, the IEEE Student Branch Geetham has been awarded as the Vibrant Student Branch in the year 2019. With a proactive approach in doing things, it has enabled us to be one of the venerated student branches that have achieved in various technical and non-technical aspects.
IEEE.